Hello cat lovers, and welcome back to the channel. If you're dreaming of a feline friend who's both stunningly beautiful and wonderfully low maintenance, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the world of short-haired cats, exploring 10 of the most popular breeds that are not only smart and stylish, but also a breeze to care for. Whether you live in a cozy apartment or a sprawling house, there's a short-haired cat on this list that's perfect for you. So, get comfy and let's meet these amazing cats. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the one-of-a-kind Cornish Rex. With their signature soft wavy coat, slim build, and large ears, they look like they've pranced right out of a storybook. This unique coat is not only beautiful, but also sheds very little. Cornish Rexes are incredibly energetic and fun-loving. They maintain a kitten-like playfulness throughout their lives, always ready for a game of fetch or to chase a laser pointer. They are deeply affectionate and form strong bonds with their families, often following their favorite humans around the house like a little shadow. If you want a cat with a big personality and an even bigger heart, the Cornish Rex is a fantastic choice. At number 9, we have the smallest domestic cat breed in the world, the Singapura. Don't let their tiny size fool you. These cats have huge personalities. Originating from the streets of Singapore, they possess a beautiful sepia-toned coat that shimmers, big expressive eyes, and a curious nature that's absolutely endearing. Singapuras are incredibly affectionate and love to be involved in everything you do. They are playful, intelligent, and known for being gentle companions. They thrive in loving homes where they can be the center of attention, snuggling up on your lap after a good play session. If you're looking for a petite cat with a massive capacity for love, the Singapura might just steal your heart. Sprinting into our number 8 spot is the magnificent Egyptian Mau. This breed is a true natural wonder, being one of the few naturally spotted domestic cat breeds. Their spots aren't just on their fur, they're on their skin too. Known for their incredible speed, they are the fastest domestic cats, capable of running up to 30 miles per hour. Egyptian Maus are not only agile, but also incredibly intelligent and loyal. They form a very strong special bond with their families, though they can be a bit shy with strangers at first. With their striking looks and graceful cheetah-like movements, they bring a touch of the exotic wild into your home, paired with a sweet and devoted personality. Coming in at number 7 is the colorful and elegant Oriental Shorthair. Think of a Siamese cat, but in a rainbow of over 300 different colors and patterns. With their long, slender bodies, wedge-shaped heads, and impressively large ears, they have a look that's truly unforgettable. Oriental Shorthairs are incredibly social, intelligent, and have a lively, extroverted personality. They thrive on attention and love to be part of the family action. They are also quite talkative, always ready to share their opinions with you in a variety of chirps and meows. If you want a cat that is a constant source of entertainment, affection, and conversation, the Oriental Shorthair is an amazing companion. Leaping into the number 6 position is the active and intelligent Abyssinian. With their distinctive ticked coat, where each hair has bands of color, they look like a miniature wild cougar. Abyssinians are one of the most energetic and playful cat breeds. They are not typically lap cats. Instead, they prefer to be on the move, exploring every nook and cranny of your home, and even learning to play fetch. They are incredibly smart and curious, often described as clowns of the cat kingdom for their entertaining antics. If you lead an active lifestyle and want a cat that can keep up with your adventures and challenge your mind, the Abyssinian is the perfect partner in crime. Halfway through our list at number 5 is the charming Burmese. These cats are known for their compact, muscular build and their stunning, short, satin-like coat, which most famously comes in a rich brown color. But what truly sets the Burmese apart is their incredibly loving and loyal personality. They are often described as being dog-like in their devotion to their owners. Burmese cats are playful, people-oriented, and crave affection. They get along wonderfully with children and other pets, making them a perfect family cat. They'll greet you at the door, follow you from room to room, and insist on a cuddle session at the end of the day. For unwavering companionship, look no further than the Burmese. At number 4, we have the iconic and very chatty Siamese. With their sleek, elegant bodies, striking blue almond-shaped eyes, and distinctive pointed pattern, the Siamese cat is one of the most recognizable and oldest breeds in the world. but their beauty is matched by their big personality. Siamese cats are extremely social, intelligent, and vocal. They love to communicate with their humans about everything and anything. They need to be part of the family and can get lonely if left by themselves for too long. If you're looking for a cat that will be your best friend, your confidant, and your constant companion, the sophisticated and loving Siamese is an excellent choice. Gliding into our top 3 is the serene and gorgeous Russian Blue. Famous for their shimmering silvery blue coat and brilliant green eyes, these cats are the picture of elegance. But beyond their stunning appearance, Russian Blues have a gentle and quiet nature. They are sweet-tempered and loyal, forming deep connections with their family members, though they might be reserved with strangers. They are intelligent and enjoy a predictable routine, making them a calming presence in any household. Despite their refined demeanor, they have a playful side and enjoy chasing toys. For those seeking a graceful, low-key, and devoted feline friend, the Russian Blue is a true gem. Our runner-up, at number 2, is the all-American classic, the American Shorthair. These cats are the epitome of a sturdy, healthy, and easygoing companion. With their muscular build and a dense coat that comes in a wide variety of colors and patterns, the most famous being the silver tabby, they are both handsome and resilient. American Shorthairs are known for their affectionate and adaptable nature. They are fantastic family pets, known for being patient with children and getting along well with other animals. They are skilled hunters, but also love a good cuddle on the couch. For a low-maintenance, loving and reliable friend, the American Shorthair is a top-tier choice that fits perfectly into almost any home. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. Taking the top spot on our list of the best short-haired cat breeds is the beloved British Shorthair. With their chunky, cobby body, round face, and incredibly dense plush coat, they are often described as teddy bears of the cat world. They are the picture of calm and contentment. British Shorthairs are famously easygoing, undemanding, and affectionate in a quiet, dignified way. They enjoy being with their people, but aren't overly needy. They are intelligent, gentle, and incredibly patient, making them ideal companions for families, singles, and seniors alike. Their combination of adorable looks, sweet temperament, and easy care coat makes the British Shorthair the ultimate short-haired cat. And there you have it, our top 10 short-haired cat breeds that are smart, stylish, and easy to care for. From the energetic Cornish Rex to the cuddly British Shorthair, each of these breeds offers a unique personality and a whole lot of love. We hope this guide helps you find your perfect feline companion. Which breed was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our future content. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.